How do you benefit from paying taxes? Gold is a valuable metal. It utilized in the earlier times as money. In the past few years, gold applications has expanded. Within just the past decade, regardless of the economic global crisis, the value of gold has steadily grown thrice over other varieties of investments. Now gold has turned out to be one of the coveted investment vehicles among speculators and investors. Then again, almost everything is being taxed today, from a can of beans to a glamorous sedan. But surprisingly, it's now possible to purchase gold tax-free. It's too good to be true, right? Tax-free gold depends principally on the country's legislature or the province or state that you reside. Moreover, tax laws are complex generally in most Western countries. Having that said, it is recommended to understand the several ways on how to avoid the tax procedures without actually breaking the law trying. In America, tax is not included if one will purchase gold bullion. However, if you commit to sell gold bullion, a capital gain tax can be included if you retail gold for a higher price than what you originally purchased the gold. Buyers need to be aware that no tax is added into the procurement of gold. Legal tender coins tax laws. With the law concerning sales tax, gold coins are legal tender where it is manufactured or sold. For example, in the U.S., gold eagles are legal tender. Thus, no tax on purchase or sales is added when this precious commodity is purchased in the United States. Exactly the same principle applies when purchasing gold sovereigns in the United Kingdom or maple leafs in Canada. VAT in United Kingdom. For other European nations, just like the UK, value-added tax or VAT is added and applied to a number of gold bars. But for legal tender like gold coins, not tax is added. Obviously, it is going to be absurd if one will tax the currency of a state or a nation. Goods and services tax in Australia. Furthermore, there is another form of tax applicable in Australia. It's called Goods and Services Tax or GST. It functions the same as the value-added tax or VAT on commodities and services. In Australia, there is no applicable GST on retail of pure gold bars and gold coins. However, since American eagles are not pure gold, GST may be applicable on these coins if one decides to buy them from a gold dealer who is registered for GST. Then again, if one buys the pieces from a private seller on online auctions, one may evade paying the GST. Significance of importance of understanding tax laws. Tax exemption is equals to big savings. However, not all gold commodities are tax-free. Thus, it is critical for a trader to figure out the laws applicable in the gold trade industry. Recognizing the laws affecting gold trade can make a big difference to one's own tax condition. Despite the different tax applications in gold trade, it is always excellent to maximize the tax-free gold bonus, because this is when an individual can profiteer greatly from an investment. Since a tax-free status is not applicable to stocks, ETFs, and other investments, one must always seek advice from a reliable financial advisor when purchasing gold bullion or other forms of gold. Do not believe hearsays or rumors that one can escape tax from gold, since it will just backfire. Be wise and seek advice only from professionals.